While this research is still in the developmental stage, our Elisa Hines has more on an Oklahoma company using nanotechnology right now to help everyone from surgeons to scientists see better.
It's a big idea, small enough to fit on a penny. Access Optics specializes in a rare form of nanotechnology. In fact, they're the only ones in the U.S. who have the capability. And they're located right here in Oklahoma.
Everything we make is quite unique. It tends to be custom-made products. It is for OEM customers. So we're not selling to individual physicians, for example, or consumers, but to larger companies, in many cases companies that may be tens of times our size, who don't have the expertise internally to do the kinds of things that we do.
Like creating microscopic lenses used in arthroscopic surgery.
The kinds of optics that we produce would be specialty optics for instrumentation applications, scientific instruments. Most people are familiar with this program CSI.
This murder hasn't happened yet.
They do all kinds of whizzy laboratory applications, and we make the kinds of windows and lens elements that go into these instruments and allow them to function.
And it's not the making of the lenses that makes Access Optics so special, but the process the lenses actually go through.
We have developed a very sophisticated solution to the problem that goes into sealing the instruments that surgeons use.
These instruments don't typically last very long because of the stress steam sterilization puts on them. The sealing process Access Optics applies to each lens is their claim to fame. And with this nanotechnology, lens life is much longer.
The how part of that is a trade secret at this point, and best kept that way. There are really very few people in the world who do a credible job of making these kinds of windows and making these kinds of seals.
Tiny objects for very big needs.